Hola. We will be going on the airport for $683 per ticket.
We will get there at 10 p.m. Madrid time.
And we'll be staying 2 nights in each city.
We will go from Madrid to Toledo, then to Valencia.
The next stop will be Castellón and then Tarragona, and lastly Guadalajara. Day 1. We will be staying at Madrid Hotel for 2 nights at the price of $185. At 8:30 a.m. we will go to National del Prado, which costs $39. Then at 10:30 we will go on a tour at Stadium Tour Estadio Santiago for $22. We'll stay there for 2 hours and then go to the Real House of Madrid at 12:30 for $40. Then at 5 o'clock we will eat tortilla espanola at La Cruzada. After eating at 7 o'clock we will walk around Madrid and explore the vast city. Then at 8 o'clock we will all head back to the hotel. Day 2. We will start our day at 8:30 on a bike tour for $20. Then at 10:30 we will be shopping at Mercado de San Miguel. Later at 1:30 we will eat bocadillos at Pinkelton and wine for $15. These bocadillos are basically like sandwiches. Then at 3:30 we will be going to Plaza de Oriente for $46. After we spend 2 hours there, at 5:30 we will head over to the karaoke bar for albóndigas, which are basically Spanish meatballs. Then at 8 o'clock we head back to the hotel to pack. We will be using a Eurail pass to Toledo, which is $204 for 8 train trips.
Day 3 in Toledo, we will stay at the Real de Toledo for 2 nights for $136. At 9 o'clock, we'll go to the San Martin Bridge. Then at 11, we do the walking tour de Toledo route dress for $15 a person. After 3 hours, at 2 o'clock, we will go to the Mercado de San Martin. When it's 4 o'clock, we eat at Los Clásicos, which is $25 a plate. And the Pulpo a la Galega is a famous special which serves amazing octopus. At 6 o'clock, we visit the Museo de Santa Cruz for free. Then after an hour, at 7 o'clock, we will eat at Tobiki Restaurante for $30. The fabada asturiana is a Spanish dish that includes beans and sausage and chorizo. At 9 o'clock, we head back to the hotel to sleep. Day 4 in Toledo. From 9 to 12, we'll go to the Cathedral of Toledo. Then at 12 o'clock, we'll go to Taberna Technique de Rinos and Boades for $20 to eat. The Mallorcan Tumbla is a traditional tapa from Majorca that combines peppers, tomatoes, and olive oil to make a delicious meal. At 2 o'clock, we will go to El Ultimo. Then at 3:30, we get on the train to the Toledo Tranvision Zoco Tren and ride it for 3 hours. Then at 6:30, we will go to La Marsala to eat tigres, which is seafood. After 2 hours, at 8:30, we will end this busy day.
Day 5 will be in Valencia. We stay at Valencia Flat Central Ciudad for $121. At 10 o'clock we will see the Mystery Room for $10. Then after 2 hours at 12 o'clock we will go to Navarro for $20. At 2 o'clock we go on a sightseeing tour for $58. Later at 5 o'clock we shop, eat, and walk around at Mercado Central. Then finally at 9 o'clock we will go back to the hotel and sleep. Day 6. At 9 o'clock we will all go on a nature tour and wildlife tour for $20. Then at 12 o'clock we will eat paellas at Placena for $15 after 2 hours. At 2 o'clock we will go to Lonja de la Seda for $20. At 4 o'clock we will see the Oceanographic for $20. Later at 6 o'clock we will eat at the Ricard Carmena Restaurante, which serves pan con tomate, which is like pizza crust. Then at 8 o'clock we will go party at the Electro Piura, but then at 10 o'clock we go back and sleep.
Okay, day 7, we will be going to Castellón. We will be staying at the Els Romeros for 2 nights at $99. At 9 o'clock we will go to Villa Verde Green Route for $15, which is a bike tour. At 12 we will eat tapas at Atypic Pensacola. Then we will visit the Pensacola Castle at 2 o'clock for $20. Then at 5 we will go to the Oropesa del Mar, and finally at 8 we will go back to the hotel. Day 8. At 9 o'clock we will visit the beautiful Parque Natural Islas in Castellón. Then at 11 we will go to La Pupuria. Next we will visit the hot springs at 1 o'clock. After that we will go to Ribalta Park at 3. And at 6 we will go to Mana Caparina. And then we head back to get some rest at 8 o'clock.
Day 9, we will be in Tarragona, and we'll be staying at the Apartamentos Turísticos Rio Villa. At 9 o'clock, we will spend the day at the Portaventura Park. At 12 o'clock, we will eat at the Guinness Tavern for $34. Then at 6, we will go to La Morena for $12. Finally, at 8 o'clock, we will go back to the hotel. Day 10. At 9 o'clock, we will go on the Tarragona bike tour for $15. At 12 o'clock, we will go to El Gallinero de la Antiquari for $10. We'll then go to Ruta de las Mejiloneras for $20 at 2. Later then at 4 o'clock, we will go to the House of Illusion for $38 for a dinner and a movie. They serve San Jacobo's, which has breaded chicken and ham and cheese on the inside.
Day 11. We will take the train to Guadalajara. We will be staying at Hostel San Marcos 2 for $100. We will go to Cathedral de Santa Maria de Sigüenza for $15 at 9. Then at 11 we will go to Casa Palomo to eat gazpacho, which is delicious soup served cold. Later at 1 o'clock we will go to the Parque Natural Aielo de Tejera Negra for $10. After 3 hours we will go to Visitas Guidas Sigüenza for $10 at 3 o'clock. Then at 5 we will go to the La Gloria Spa for $10. And later at 7 o'clock we will go to Restaurante Abuela Maranitas to eat empanadas. At 8 o'clock we will head back to the hostel. Day 12, last day. We start our morning at 9 o'clock to go to Sigüenza Castle for $12. After 2 hours at 11 we will go to the Pantheon of the Condesa de la Vega del Poco. Then at 1 we will go eat at Nola for $24 to eat croquetas, which includes potatoes, cheese, and ham. At 2:30 we will visit Palacio de Infitado for $10. Then we will go to Rio Tejo at 4:30. Then later at 6 we will go to the pub Obo for $12 to eat paella. Then at 8 o'clock we will finally end our last stay in Guadalajara.
The next day we head back to the Madrid airport.
That concludes our trip.
And we head back to America. See you guys later. Take that part out.
Then at 11 we will go to La Pupuria.
You can cut that out. Just keep going. Cut that out. Start over from where you messed up.
I stopped at poop.